Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get more than 5 such tags on Fiverr. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so let me just show you guys that some gigs on Fiverr have more than 5 such tags or SEO tags, whatever you want to call it. But if we just go on Google and search for how many tags they allow on Fiverr gigs, so let's just wait for it, and I'm gonna search for how many such tags are allowed on a Fiverr gig. So as you can see guys, that Fiverr only allows 5 relevant tags in the gigs. So there are some illegal ways, sketchy ways that you can use to add more than 5 tags in your Fiverr gigs. However, I won't recommend you guys to do it because that would be messing with the terms and conditions of Fiverr. So if you do that, you can potentially get your Fiverr account banned. So I'm not gonna be teaching you guys that. So yeah guys, you cannot really add more than 5 tags in your Fiverr gigs. So if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.